Yeah, so we're doing the 16 Pro.
Yeah.
I gotcha. It's gonna be like 20 minutes, bro.
Awesome. Sounds good.
So am I good here or should I pull back?
Yeah, you can stay here. You can pull back, whatever
Alright.
is easiest. Yeah,
Alright.
this is my driveway. So
No worries.
there you go.
Sounds good. I'll see you soon then.
See you soon. Thank you.
You got it. So the phone is ready. It's looking brand new. And I'm hooking you up with some free accessories.
Oh, shit.
This is a Blue Element MagSafe wallet.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
And these are suction cup phone mounts as a gift.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Sure, man.
There you go.
Thank you, bro.
Thanks.
Appreciate
Have a good
you.
one, man.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a great night. Bye-bye.
You too.